There's a massive health scare in several countries over a dengue outbreak. Bangladesh is struggling with its worst outbreak of dengue fever, and the Philippines has been forced to declare a national epidemic.
Babies, children, adults. Bangladesh's worst ever dengue outbreak has hit them all. On an average, 2,000 patients are being admitted to hospitals every day.
My son had severe fever and vomiting for 3 days. We tested his blood and they said it was dengue. We rushed here in the hospital. His platelets are reducing by days. We may need to infuse blood if it continues.
Doctors and staff are struggling to attend to the number of patients pouring in daily with high fever and joint pains.
We don't have enough manpower, logistic support and technicians. That's why we are under so much pressure. We have 3 times more patients than our bed capacity.
Dengue is common in Bangladesh as heavy monsoon rains create the perfect breeding ground for the mosquito-borne virus. But this year's outbreak is unprecedented. Official data says 30,000 people have been infected with the dengue virus so far this year in the country of 17 crore people. At least 23 people have died. The overcrowded capital of Dhaka is the epicenter of the outbreak, and locals mainly blame officials for struggling to contain the outbreak as well as the filth in the city that provides a ripe breeding ground for mosquitoes.
The city of Dhaka is usually dirty. The citizens are certainly responsible for this. Besides, our mayors are also responsible because they are not fulfilling their duties. If they constantly keep the city clean and use mosquito repellents, then this problem might reduce.
In comparison, there's the Indian city of Kolkata, which had a severe dengue outbreak 7 years ago. Reports say the corporation has since then had considerable success in controlling the disease. Bangladesh is not the only country suffering from a dengue outbreak this year. The Philippines, Honduras and Sri Lanka are also grappling with it. In fact, the Philippines has declared the dengue outbreak a national epidemic. The government said the move would help improve the response to the outbreak. The Philippines has recorded over 146,000 cases of dengue from January through July 20th this year. That's 98% more than the same period in 2018. 622 people have died. The UN's World Health Organization says other Southeast Asian countries like Malaysia and Vietnam too have reported an upsurge in dengue cases this year. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.